Okay, good morning. Today is Friday the 25th. I'm going to show you how to use our graphing website. So this is your assignment for today. And if you click on this link right here, it takes you to Desmos. Actually, I already have it opened up. I'm going to sign out really quick so that I can show you how to sign in. When you click on that link, it will take you to Desmos and it'll say graphing practice because that's what we're doing. You're going to click log in with Google, and then something will pop up. Yours is going to be a little bit different than mine because you've never logged in before. You can click this part should be the same where it has your email address. Click on your school email address and then it'll pop up something that says like accept or reject. Make sure you accept the terms. And then I have my Desmos graph that I can use for graphing. For this one, okay, this is your independent variable, which is your x-axis. So I'm going to go in and start typing that. So 0 0.5, 0 0.5, 0, 0 0.9, 1.4, 1.7, 2.0, and then 20. And then on the other side, I have 270. I think it was it 300? Oh, 500. 500, 730, 960, and 990. We didn't actually figure this one out yet, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. So you notice that I put in all of my data points, but I don't see my graph anywhere. Where are all my data points? That's because if you look at our scale, the scale of the actual graph is different. So all I have to do to fix that is click this zoom fit or the magnifying glass, and look, there's all my data points. It's very quick and easy to do. And my next step is I need to label the axes. So if you remember from yesterday, the independent variable goes on the x and the dependent variable goes on the y-axis. So make sure you're reading this ahead of time. I've already done this, so I didn't go through and read it all for you, but you can definitely do that on your own. So my IV is distance to other galaxies, and then my DV is speed other galaxy is moving. So I'm going to click on this wrench, which is the graph settings. And then right here, I have the x-axis and the y-axis. All I have to do is type in distance to other galaxies. And I forgot what the units are. Let me come back. MPC is the units. So then go back here, MPC, and now if you look, my x-axis is labeled. Now I need to label my y-axis, which was speed to other galaxies, and my units were kilometers per second. And then I actually don't like it when it's like this. I have all this empty space, so I am going to shift my graph over. So just clicking and dragging so that I can see it better. I'm going to click this share graph button now that I'm done. And then you'll see export image, and this thing pops up. I see all my data points, my axes are labeled, and nothing is cut off. Great. And then I can click download PNG. And then it will pop up down here. For the Chromebooks, it'll show something, I believe, on the right side, and you can actually just click copy to clipboard. But because I'm not on a Chromebook, it shows my download. And what I can then do is go back to my graphing practice. It walks you through how to do that. You can do Control V, or what's really nice about this computer is I can just click and drag, and there we go. I have my graphing practice ready to go.